A trip somewhere around the world. 100% we have to do this trip no matter what. We are going on a trip too? This is what's happening with today's video. It is a surprise video for Leslie. She probably thinks I'm about to, I don't know, bring Oprah in the house or something. It's our 20th wedding anniversary this year. I wanna take her on a couple of trips that are really fun. And one of them I wanna do is with our good friends, Jonathan and Susan. They helped us build the house. We've been friends ever since, but we thought we would do it in a really fun way. So right now, we are taking 12 presents, wrapping them, and putting bows on them. Inside of each one of the presents is an envelope that says a certain location of where we're gonna go. So we'll explain it all in a minute. Right now, Leslie doesn't know they're coming. She's sitting in the living room. You probably see her on the camera. She's just sitting there in the living room, nervous, not knowing what's happening.
I'm getting nervous.
We have the presents. We're gonna go in and surprise her. I feel a little bit bad because I thought we were ready to roll, and so I put Leslie in there, and I thought I was gonna sneak away just for a second. She's been waiting for like minutes, and she's just sitting in there. They have lots of presents, so I'd imagine they're almost done.
Oh my gosh, you can't drop it.
Can you carry them all, or do you need me to help?
4.
I got 4. Oh, this is so good. Oh, careful, it's really slippery.
Is that all of them?
Okay.
8. Count 'em.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Perfect.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, let's do it. She doesn't know you're here. Okay, go in front. Go, go, go. Here. Go ahead. Sorry, Leslie. Okay, I think I'm ready.
You're making me really nervous.
Making you nervous?
Super nervous.
Okay.
What's happening?
All right, so we wanted to do some kind of surprise. It's the new year. We want to do something fun for Leslie. And so...
Why?
What?
Why?
Because we just want to make something fun. Okay, so here's the deal. Okay, come on in. Bring in the stuff.
What stuff?
Bring in
What
the stuff. We got presents. Go ahead and set them
Why
right
do we
on
have
here.
presents?
And we have friends.
What are you guys doing here?
Okay, set these down and we're gonna explain. Here's what's going on.
Okay. I'm so happy to see you guys. What are you
Come over here.
doing?
You'll be in this shot,
Why
I
do we
think.
have all these presents?
Okay, stand right there, guys.
You're
Stand right
making me really nervous right now because I don't like spending money.
there. Here is the deal. We have 12 presents in here, and each one of them represents a trip somewhere around the world. So what Leslie is, and no, it does not mean that we're going on a trip around the world every single month. Here's the deal. You get to look through all of these presents. No, look, you can't open them.
I can't open them?
And you get to select one. The
Wait.
one that you select.
By choice, like it's blind, I just choose one.
You're gonna look through.
So I don't get to like,
no.
Okay.
You get to decide. There's some really, really amazing trips in here. There's some trips that aren't as amazing.
I don't know.
And so you get to choose one. Whichever one you choose, we're gonna put off to the side.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go and open up all the rest of them. And we're gonna see all the places that we could have gone. And then at the end, we'll open up the one that you actually chose. And that's where we're gonna go on a trip together. Couples trip.
Is it a really bad one? Like,
I don't know, we'll see.
I don't want to say a state because I don't want to offend people, but
I mean, every one of the trips I think would be fun to go on.
Okay.
Just some are gonna cost a lot of money and take a lot of time to travel to, and some are gonna cost barely any money and barely any time to
how
travel
about
to.
I get to pick 2?
You get to pick one.
I think 2.
But I think when
Just
it gets
one.
down to the very end and there's only 2, you can either keep the one that
Oh.
you have or
But
select
you don't get to open it. You get to, there's 2
Oh, no.
boxes,
It gets
2
down to the
presents
last
left.
2.
So this is how we selected the places.
Okay.
I've created a list of 3, Jonathan created a list of 3,
Oh.
Susan created a list of 3, and then we just have a few other random ones to get to 12. And so we tried to do one that was like really, really cool, and then like a medium trip,
Okay.
and then like yay, let's go
I
on a
like
weekend
every
somewhere.
trip. Every trip I like. I like going to Vegas with you guys. Like I have fun everywhere we go.
You'll
Yeah.
like all the trips.
Okay.
Don't
Okay.
That's great.
Okay.
So that's the fun of it. So Leslie, take your time, do what you need to do, look through this, and figure out which present is going to be the actual trip that you go on.
So I feel like my initial thoughts are I like rose gold, so I kind of was like one of those ones.
Ooh.
Do put the bows on though?
But we didn't know what was in them when we did those.
They
Just
just-
so you
okay.
know.
Yeah.
We were
Because I was
blind
like,
in it.
if Claire did this, then she would know I would
No.
probably go for a rose gold or a gold. There's 2 golds. Okay. I don't know. I'm really bad with decisions. Okay, I think I'm gonna take all the gold ones and the rose gold ones. I'm gonna keep the bronze ones. So here's where I'm at.
Okay.
You know, I feel like the gold, just because I'm from Alaska
Oh.
and gold is very important to our family. Well, it is.
Okay. All
I
right.
love it. Okay.
So I feel
This
like
is it.
Good reasoning. It's the
Woo!
one.
This
Okay,
is the one.
it
Let's
goes
put it.
here.
Let's put it up
Right
somewhere. There's the winner.
That's the
That is the trip
Where
right
we're
there.
going. We don't know.
That's where we're going on a fun trip together.
No, I'm sweating.
100% we have to do this trip
Okay.
no matter what. The trip is
Okay.
happening. We're gonna actually vlog, I'll probably vlog some of the trip and show it. So that is the trip, it's
Okay.
happening. Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Okay, what we'll do is once we get down to the final two, we will give you an option with the final two to swap the
Okay.
boxes, but it still will be blind.
Okay.
So I think the first thing we do, it's time to open it. This is the one that she was super adamant she does not want to go to this place out of all 12. Let's open it up. Let the fun begin, and we'll put on screen where some of these places are.
Oh, you even did it in a little envelope. You're
The dog is even ready. Came in here to watch
like,
this.
"Let's
Here we
do
go.
Oh, Washington, D.C.
Oh.
I've never been there.
Washington,
you guys have
D.C.,
been there though, right?
you are
No,
off
no,
the
you
list.
haven't. Okay, I'm okay with that. I mean, I
Good.
would like to go there someday though.
That's good because I actually thought we took that one off the list of the 12.
Oh, okay.
Which I guess we didn't. So hey, it's off. Washington,
That worked
D.C.
out.
Sorry if you're from D.C.
Okay, next we have Fairbanks, Alaska.
Oh, Fairbanks, Alaska, her hometown.
Actually, because I probably wouldn't want to go there.
I was thinking
I
for
like to
sure
go
it was
there.
gonna be in the gold one. I'm like, oh my gosh, the
It's
gold.
gotta be
It's gotta
there.
be Fairbanks, and that'd be so funny.
Oh my gosh.
We would have had to go there. We'd have had to go into her hometown. Wow, the smaller trips are going off the board.
I love to go to Fairbanks, but I don't know if I'd love to take you guys there. I'd like to go somewhere.
Oh, we're going
No,
there.
You're not
I'd like-
good enough for
No,
us.
I'd like to go somewhere
I wanted to meet
like
your dad.
I know, but somewhere unique and like we've never been to before. That's my hope is that we've never been to this place. Tokyo, Japan, one of my favorite places.
Ooh, that's a big one off
That is
the
a
board.
big
Ugh.
one. Off.
Goodbye, Tokyo.
Bye.
We're not going to
That
Tokyo.
is a great one.
Nothing other than those two.
Paris, France.
Oh, wah, wah,
Wah,
wah.
wah, wah.
This is one of those that we didn't put on our list, but we added a few extra that we were like, where would Leslie want to go?
Yeah.
Potentially. We added Fairbanks, which we thought would be kind of funny.
It would be fun.
We added Paris on there, so 2 of yours are off the list. Sorry, no
Okay,
Paris.
I'm getting more nervous as this
Oh.
dwindles down.
Oh.
Next.
Yes!
St. George, Utah, where we live.
A
That would have been
staycation.
so lame.
That would
We would have had to stay
Ugh.
here in southern Utah
'Cause I
and
don't
go
even
into a
like-
little place called I think the Inn at Entrada. It has a good golf course.
Okay.
It's great, but that would have been our big trip for the year.
No.
Driving down the road. So that's off the board.
I'm actually doing pretty good.
I know. I'm feeling really good.
We've knocked a lot of small ones off.
Dubai. I want to go there. I want to go there. Which box was this? Oh, the silver.
Dubai.
and the
Jonathan really
silver.
wanted Dubai.
I actually would love to go to Dubai.
You really let Jonathan down on that one.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, Dubai, and I'm sorry, Jonathan. That was the one you put in there? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
Jonathan is top of his list. That was the biggest one.
Okay. What's this?
Oh, that was one of mine.
Oh,
Tell
Washington
about this one,
State.
Susan.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's everyone's top place they've ever.
I will say, I just noticed this. I don't know if it's on the. No, I won't even say it. I'm not even gonna say it.
Okay, next we have.
What is it?
Oh, Edinburgh.
Oh,
That was Susan's.
that was one of ours.
Dang it.
That's a
You
good
send
one.
me stuff on this all
All
the
the
time.
time.
Well, I'm sorry. What color bow? That could have been
and
one
it
of
was
them.
a
Dang it.
contender. It
Hold
was a
on,
contender.
hold on. Before you open these, I need to say something to this camera. We're going live. Here we go. I gotta say something. You guys, close your ears, Leslie. I just noticed something. Susan has a New York hat on. We did put New York in the mix. It's one of the places. Although Leslie's been there before. I don't know, but I think it's kind of funny. And I'm seeing it right now live while we're doing this, so you know if it ends up being that, this was not planned and staged. It is real. So you can watch this. No edit cuts. No edit cuts. Here we go.
Okay,
See?
can I-
Look at that. Yeah, you're good. You're good. See,
Okay.
there's those
Okay.
presents that are left right there. All right. Okay. Here you go, Claire.
Okay, next we have. We used a lot of color.
Oh, that was mine.
Wait, Greece and Italy? You used it for both?
No, it was supposed to be
It
Greece.
was just supposed to be Greece.
And then
Sorry.
Italy was supposed to be one. So maybe you just knocked off Greece and Italy. We were gonna do Greece and then we were gonna do Italy, but
Sorry.
I think we got lost in the mix. Sorry.
I have no
Double
idea
whammy.
what would be on there then. Like, because where was the other place?
What's left?
Where are the other places?
I don't know, but don't say.
Do you know what it is? Dang it. Jonathan, did you put something?
No.
No!
Oh, I did Scotland.
Don't say.
I'm
Oh
so
yeah.
stressed for you.
What is it?
Okay.
Okay, New York
Oh, there it is.
I thought we were gonna
City. I
go
love
forward.
New York.
This
though.
is what I just did. I just walked away and I told the camera, if it happens to be New York, I promise it's not planned just because Susan's wearing the giveaway hat
I
right
am.
So-
That was close.
now. Yeah, so anyway, at least that's off the board. There was no, what do you call it?
Easter egg.
No, what do you call it when they
So
rig
wait,
the votes?
these are the last two.
Oh, rig the boat.
Are we
Okay,
gonna
so
let her switch or
These are lot, if she wants
Do you
to.
know what the last
we
two
tell her?
are?
Okay, no, you can't tell her.
No,
no,
don't even look.
No.
Don't even look, because
No,
I don't
we-
really
I don't
remember.
remember either now, so
So you're staying with
keep
the
or
original?
switch. Keep or switch.
I think we're gonna keep.
All right.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
This was so sweet of you, by the way.
Oh, it was all their idea.
It was
but
really
yes.
whose idea was it? Jonathan and Susan?
Jonathan saw a TikTok that recommended this, and somebody did this, and he's like, we should do this for Leslie. Oh,
Charleston, South
you should
Carolina.
have switched.
Oh, that's a good one.
That was a good one.
I should have switched.
Yeah, because that was a good one.
This is a good one.
That
Oh,
was
I
on
think
my
the other
list.
one's gonna be better. I don't
Charleston.
I don't even
South
remember what's
Carolina.
left. I can't
Hey,
even remember
but do
now.
you remember what's left?
I have an idea, but
You either know or you
I
don't know.
well,
Hey.
this
You
is it.
remember
Okay, this is the moment. Any guesses? Hold on, take a
Okay.
guess.
I'm trying to think of anywhere else I'd say in Europe. No. Is it Hawaii?
Maybe.
Is it Hawaii?
Maybe it's Hawaii.
I don't know where else.
She'd
it
be
would
really
be.
disappointed
Can you
if it
just
was
tell me if
Hawaii.
it's US or international, and then
can't
I'll
tell you
guess?
I genuinely don't know.
You don't know?
No.
I don't really remember.
Yes, you do.
But Jonathan's trying to
Jonathan
sneak a peek on the
knows.
list over there. He can't wait for 2 seconds. Here we go. We are going on a trip to. Tell everyone.
Oh.
You haven't told me what
okay.
it is.
Oh, sorry. Venice, Italy.
Venice, Italy. I was thrown off because she put Greece, Italy, and I'm like, oh
How did I do
no.
that? I'm sorry. That was my
Okay.
mistake.
We are going to
somehow.
Venice, Italy for a trip.
I am so excited
Wow.
about this because Dan and I. This is our anniversary trip then.
Well, I mean,
This
kind
is
of.
our anniversary trip because Dan and I, when we got married, we were supposed to go on our honeymoon to Italy, but we had free tickets anywhere.
I even bought I got books from the library,
Yes.
like learn the language and
Yeah.
stuff.
Oh yeah.
And then it
we
didn't
got to
happen.
the airport and they were like, "You can't get on this flight. There's a flight going to London. Do you want to get on that one? Because it was a free ticket. We could go anywhere." And so we never made it.
No.
And now we're making
20 years
20
later.
years later.
You chose it. That's
Yay!
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
gosh.
Out of all of them, this is the place I've been really wanting to go. So this is perfect.
It's amazing.
That's
So
awesome.
on a scale from 1 to 10, how disappointed are you, Jonathan?
Oh, I'm super excited. 10.
Yeah! He's
It's
happy.
so good.
That was amazing.
That could have gone really poorly.
Is this your top out of the 12? Is there one of the other ones you would have chosen? All right, Venice, we are coming. We're coming in hot, coming to see you. Rivers and things that are in Venice. Pizza. I don't really know.
I'm eating a cookie.
That's okay. All right, here's all the presents. Lincoln just came in. Lincoln, we told you what's happening, right? The gift thing.
Yes.
Okay, just for fun, Jonathan, come over here and read off what the 12 places are, and let's let Lincoln see if he can narrow it down and see if he can guess which one it.
Leavenworth, Venice, South Carolina, Tokyo, Scotland, New York, Greece, Dubai, Washington, D.C., the Inn at Entrada, St. George, Utah,
I would choose that one.
and Fairbanks, Alaska.
Fairbanks.
Okay, what's the top 3 you think? See if
Top
you
three.
of.
that I
Wasn't
would
it-
want to go.
Let's see if you can guess which one it is.
No.
You want me to read them one more time?
Oh, I'm gonna go with Venice. I'm gonna go with Venice.
Her reaction.
I didn't. I was just like,
Your mouth opened. I have instant replay. You're like shocked. That's what it was. It was Venice.
He said it before I did anything. That's it.
No, I mean, he said it and you're so shocked. He was going to name
I was
3,
shocked.
right?
Shocked. gosh.
What other ones were you going to name before her mouth opened wide?
Probably. I would either Greece or Venice. There's a lot.
He knows me. That's what I wanted. Italy or Greece. That's it.
Yep.
Good
But I
guess.
guessed it.
That's
I
exciting.
I just chose the box.
When
I
is
didn't
this?
get to choose
When is
it.
this adventure?
We have to
Ryder
plan it
Cup.
now. We're probably going to go for the Ryder Cup because we'll go down to Rome. too.
September.
Sorry, you can't come. It's just a couple's trip.
We'll send photos.
Well, if Boz makes it to the Junior Ryder Cup, I'm caddying for him.
So, yeah, that's
Oh,
true.
that'd be awesome.
Okay.